like a Texas tornado, deep as a Mississippi flood. It's always on the edge of drowning you, 'cause man, it can be. Yeah, she's a Texas tornado, she's like a California fire. Just when you think she had died down, that's when the flames get high. She can be as cold as a Montana winter, or as hot as the Arizona sand. I've done a lot of risky things in this life. They're all safer than being her man. Like the waves that crash in South Alabama, and in Florida, as south as you can go. But the reasons to love her like the grains of sand in the desert of New Mexico. Her love's as vast as the plains of Nebraska. She's as pretty as the hills of Tennessee. I've been loving her as hard as any man knows how. I'm lucky as hell that she loves me. She's as strong as the steel from Pennsylvania, like a diamond from the mines in Arkansas. But don't let me fool you with all my complaints. When she's gone, I'm climbing up the wall. She'll take you as high as the Colorado mountains, or as low as the Louisiana mud. You'll do anything to keep her, 'cause you know another man would. Her lips as red as the dirt in Oklahoma, sweet as South Carolina pecan pie. She'll love you like an angel in the morning, with eyes as blue as the wild moon in the sky. Yeah, her love's like a Texas tornado, as a Mississippi flood. It's always on the edge of drowning you, 'cause man, it can be too damn much. I said, yeah, she's my Texas tornado. She's like a California fire. Just when you think that she has died down, that's when the flames get high. Yeah, just when you think that she had died down, that's when the flames get high.